Hello from the Boynton Beach City Library. I'm Christina. Today I will show you how to make bookmarks with resin and a silicone mold. These make the perfect gift for that book lover in your life. Supplies include resin and hardener, measuring cups, wooden stir sticks, tweezers, silicone molds, gloves, a heat gun, a plastic sheet or a poster board to protect your surface, and decorations such as paper inserts and glitter. To make a yarn tassel, supplies include yarn, a piece of paper, scissors, and glue. Let's get started. Resin and hardener are mixed at a 1-to-1 ratio. Different resins could have different mixing instructions. Be sure to read the directions carefully. I'll be following the directions for this specific resin. To mix the resin, use the measuring cups. With gloves on, pour the resin to the 10 milliliter line. Then add the hardener right on top to the 20 milliliter line. Mix slowly to reduce the number of bubbles formed, scraping the sides occasionally for 2 minutes. Pour the mixture into the second measuring cup, scraping the sides to get everything out. And with a clean stir stick, continue to mix for an additional minute. Prepare the silicone mold by placing the paper and adding the glitter as desired. The glitter will float in the resin once it is poured and will move around the bookmark. Pour in the resin until the mold is full. Use the wooden stir stick to guide the resin and make sure it fills the entire silicone mold. Use tweezers to fix any decorations that may have shifted. During the next 20 minutes, the resin will try to work the bubbles out. The heat gun can help this process, and tweezers can be used to pop the larger bubbles. Let the resin sit in the silicone mold for 24 hours to cure and harden. While the resin sits to cure, make the tassels. Fold the piece of paper in half, and then fold in half again. Cut a piece of yarn about a foot long and hold it at the top of the paper. Take the end of the yarn and lay it at the bottom of the paper. Begin to wrap the paper loosely about 12 times. Cut the end just below the paper. Using that foot-long piece of yarn at the top, tie a double knot to secure the wrapped yarn and then pull it off the paper. Cut the opposite end of the loop to form the tassel. Take the end of the yarn again and wrap it around the tassel about ½ inch down from the top. Wrap it about 6 times and secure with a double knot. Cut the tails and apply a small amount of glue to seal the knot and prevent it from coming undone. After 24 hours, the bookmarks are ready to be removed from the silicone mold. Use sandpaper to smooth down any rough edges. To attach the tassel to the bookmark, first apply a small amount of glue to the ends to make it easier to thread the yarn through the hole of the bookmark. Once the glue is dry, thread both ends through the bookmark. Secure with a double knot and cut the tails. Cover the knot with a small amount of glue to prevent it from coming undone. Once the glue is dry, open the loop, pull the tassel through, and pull tight. And we're done! Thanks for watching.